Morning diecast lovers, it's Marcus and I think it's a good time to share with you some information. It's summertime when I decided to do a little change. I built new office and new studio for record the video. So at the moment my previous room, maybe everything changed now, if you can see, it's completely rebuilt right now because I built the new office right here. So if you see on the top, it's two full boxes of new Hot Wheels, with not unpackaged yet, and soon when I finish the moving the stuff, I just show you because I'm waiting for few furniture as well, and we start recording the videos. If you see, I'm waiting for new display for the cars as well. And for example, if we take first one, so you can see, guys, there is plenty of cars here. There is another one. As well, full of the cars and the boxes. So definitely the video on the channel back soon. I just take 2 weeks break for holiday to organize everything, to back with new power and new content for you guys. Take care and see you soon.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher.